Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create order in Shopify. So simply open the orders here, and now here you can see in the draft option, just on the top right side, create order option is available. Just click here. Now here, first of all, select the product you want to add here. If you don't have any product, you can add. I have already add this product, so simply edit the product. Now after adding the product, now what you need to do, just you have to add the discount. If you want to add, on the next here type the discount rate, and here you can see we are going to add shipping. Like I have added free shipping. So now you can also add the customer. Here you can add the new customer. I already added this, so simply I click this. Now here you can see all the customer details appeared here. So by completing all these basic sections, you can easily create an order in Shopify. So now add some use here. So now click on save button. So this is the easy way to create an order in Shopify.